Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I made another purchase today. Picked up some more constitutional silver, some more 90%, some more junk silver. Call it what you will, it's all the same stuff. And I was able to pick up $10, $20, $30, $40, $45 in face value for my normal resource that I've been picking up from this year. And so he sent me a message through the app today asking if I'd be interested in picking this up again for a fantastic price. So I said, absolutely, let's go ahead and get this stuff. So I went, picked it up, and let me show you what I got. Alright, so as usual, I'm going to dump this baggie out. This is how he gives it to me. And we'll do what we usually do. We'll go from big to small. So let's take a look at the quarters first. Get that out of there. Alright. So, sorry, let's look at the halves first. We'll look at the quarter second. And we can take a peek in there. It looks like we have ourselves a walker. And boom, there we go. Looks like some nice walking liberties. So yeah, take a look at these at 39, 36, 40, yeah. Standard stuff. He gave me a couple old ones recently, so that's why I'm just doing a quick look on them. But you can see these are in order, so it looks like he must have went through them. Probably making sure he's not giving me anything too valuable, which of course I wish he wouldn't, but it's actually smart on his part to make sure that he's not giving away an expensive coin. So I'll put him down here. So here we have $10 worth, or 20 walking liberties. And let's see what's in this roll. Looks like we have ourselves some Frankies. Some Ben Franklins. Let's listen to those for a minute. A little muted there. Looks nice. There's not really any real good dates on the Franklins. 1955, I think, was the lowest year that some were made, so they're considered a little more kind of a semi-key date, I guess. But you know, you might get another buck or two for 55, maybe, with the right person looking for it. Like there's a 1955 right there. Or no, that's a 53, isn't it? Yeah, 53. I thought it was a 5. But yeah. So here we have $20 worth of constitutional silver. Looking pretty nice, huh? So why don't we take a look at the quarters? Get these dumped out. Take a look at the edges. Looks pretty nice to me. Sorry about the ugly hand there. So spread these out a little bit. My last batch I found a pretty nice 1935 in there. These seem to be not as in quite as good a shape as that last batch I got from them. Which I don't know if at the time of this recording I haven't put that video out yet. So yeah, there's some real nice. I got 2 rolls of quarters in that one. There are some real nice ones in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this roll. And again, for those of you that don't know, there's 40 quarters in a roll. Works out to $10. So let's slap those down. Take a look at these. Some of these got some toning on them. It's okay. I have no problem with that. I'm buying these for the silver content. One of these days I'm going to do a video. I'm going to weigh these things and see how much they truly weigh. There's a 49. Yeah, nice. So we have $10, $20, $30, $40. And then here's our $5. You said, I believe, half of these were Mercury's and half were Roosevelt's. Let's take a look. Look at the edges. And then let's slap them down and take a look. Yep, and then you can see a bunch of Mercury's right there. And here's the Roosevelt's. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? I'll take half and half. I put them in my guardhouse box by type, so I'll wait till I have a full tube of each kind before I put them in there. So I've got 2 partial tubes going on right now. So having some of both is good because it gives me an opportunity to get those tubes filled and get them into the dime box. So yeah, so there you go. What do you think, huh? There's some pretty nice junk silver for you, eh? Constitutional, 90%. So really, really good stuff. So what do you think, huh? $45 face value. And let's do the calculation like we normally do. Put this up here like this. So 45 times 0.715, which is how much pure silver is in a dollar. So that's why we take $45 to face value, multiply by 0.715, we get 32.175. So let's do that again. 45 times 0.715, 32.18 ounces of pure silver in there. So a little over 32 ounces of silver. So that's pretty cool, huh? That's a nice add to the stack. And that 0.715 does account for wear. So it is assuming that there's wear in here. If these are BU coins, we want to use 0.7234. But since they're not BU coins, we're using 0.715. That's how much silver is in a dollar. And as you know, $1.40 in face value equals an ounce of silver. So if you took your 4 quarters, you took 4 dimes, that right there would be 1 ounce of silver. Right here, that's a full ounce right there. So you can see why we've got 32 ounces of silver, because every one of these right here is an ounce. So it's pretty nice, huh? Alright, so let me tell you what I paid for it. So on this batch, spot did drop back down a little bit today, which is fine. Still got a great deal on it. Still was able to get this for $2.96 per ounce below spot. So $2.96 per ounce below spot. So remember we had 32.18 ounces of silver, right? We multiply that by 2.96, which is how much we save per ounce. We save $95.25 in fiat, in dollars, off of buying it at spot. So if we would have bought it just at spot, we would have paid over $95 more for it. So I'm just trying to give you some idea how good of a deal this is. This is just a fantastic deal. But I know with our fellow YouTubers out there, some of you guys and gals are able to secure some of this stuff below spot. And that's great. I love hearing those stories. But a lot of times, you know, if you want to get it, you have to get it a little bit above spot. But eBay Bucks is a good time to get it below spot on eBay as well. Coin Exchange is a good place that sells it below spot during eBay Bucks. AppMex will sell it below spot during eBay Bucks. So there's a couple vendors if you want to go searching for. Because right now today, I know that there's another eBay Bucks coin. I did not get the coupon, but a lot of people did. So check out the Stacking Nerd if you need some help on finding those deals. She posted a couple of those deals where you can get constitutional silver below spot with eBay Bucks. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I picked this up pretty nice, and as an added bonus, I picked up, I don't usually buy these very often, but I picked up a couple Morgans, 3 Morgans. They're the S-Mint, and so San Francisco. Probably can't see it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Right between the D and the O. So yeah, picked up a couple of these for a really good price as well. Like I said, I don't usually buy them, but their common dates are 1921s, but they were the S-Mint. And I figured I'd pick up a couple for the stack, you know, very, very little bit, because most of our stack is the halves, quarters, and dimes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a little fun and mix this stuff up, because I need to take my thumbnail picture, and I like to take it with it all mixed together. Let's get some of these dimes over on the other side, get some of these halves over here, and we're going to just lay it out, try to get a nice picture of the variation. So we want some Franklins, Some quarters on top. Got to get some Mercuries in here too. Get a Mercury. Want to make sure we get the Washingtons. And where's our Rosies? There's our Rosies. So let me see. How's that look on the camera? Does that look like we got a pretty good collection there? I don't see a whole lot of dimes. There's a few dimes over here. Let me see if I can get some of the Roosevelt dimes on top over here a little bit. They seem to all be hiding on me. I don't want to tear this pile apart. So let's fill that gap back in. And just trying to get a nice picture. I told you all my thumbnails are my actual coins. I don't go dig out the pretty ones. If there's some toned ones on here like you see here, so what? They're toned. That's what constitutional silver is. It's toned. Don't necessarily have to put the ooh, there's a 1945. Let's put that one up on top instead. Yeah, that's a nice looking one. There's a 53. Ooh, here's a 43. That one over there. So yeah, so that's it. When I get done, I'm going to take a few pictures that I can use for my thumbnail and use it when I publish this video. And a quick tip for you guys, if you want to take a high def picture, so a 16 by 9 format, which is 1920 by 1080, if you take it with your iPhone as a picture, it won't be that dimension. And I've been struggling with that a little bit because some of my pictures turn out and my coins look like ovals. Because if you take them down to the 1920 by 1080, they're not the right size. But I looked it up and somebody advised that all you got to do is take a video of your coins, and then while the video's going, hit your screen print, because if you notice when you take a video, there's a spot where you can hit a button and it takes pictures while the video's going. And those pictures will be a perfect 16 by 9 dimension. So I don't know if you guys are aware of that, but that's a pretty cool little tip, because it really, and I just started using it recently, so if you look at a lot of my old videos, and you look at the picture of an American Silver Eagle, or even a gold coin, you'll notice that they're kind of oblong, or else you can see where I've cut off the edges and put some other color on the side to leave it the right dimension, and then have to make up something on the sides to compensate for it. Anyway, good tip. Take a video, snapshot your screen prints while you're taking the video, and you have some good content for your thumbnails. So that's it. Take care, everyone. And check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great stuff out there for you to watch. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.